Artificial intelligence, once the stuff of science fiction, now a reality. That's changing the way we live and work. But how can you harness its power to earn money? Hey everyone, welcome back to YahiTech English. Today we are diving deep into the world of AI to show you how you can leverage this technology to earn money. Let's get started. Number 1. Freelance AI Programming. First up, if you have got coding skills, there's a big demand for freelance AI programmers. From small businesses to tech giants, everyone's looking for experts to help with their AI projects. There's a tip for you. Platforms like Upwork and Freelancer have tons of AI related gigs. Number 2. AI content creation. Not a coder? No worries. AI can assist in content creation. Platforms like DALL-E for art or JokeWorks for music allows creatives to generate unique pieces and monetize them. Number 3. AI tutoring and courses. With the rise of AI, there's an increasing demand for education in this domain. If you have got expertise, consider offering tutoring sessions, online courses, or even workshops. Number 4. Stock trading with AI. The stock market is unpredictable, right? Well, AI is making it a tad more predictable. Many traders now use AI tools to help with predictions and analysis, giving them an edge in the market. Remember, stock trading is risky, always do your research. Number 5. AI-powered affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is all about reaching the right audience. AI tools can analyze web traffic, predict which products will trend, and even automate your marketing efforts, helping you earn more in commissions. Number 6. Selling AI tools and solutions. If you are entrepreneurial, consider developing and selling your own AI tools or solutions. Businesses are constantly looking for efficient tools that can streamline operations and increase their productivity. Number 7. AI in e-commerce. E-commerce is booming and AI plays a huge role, whether it's chatbots for customer service or algorithms for personalized recommendations. Integrating AI can drastically boost sales. The AI revolution is just beginning, and the opportunities are endless. Whether you are a tech expert or just AI curious, there's a way for you to tap into this lucrative domain. If you find this video helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more tech insights. Until next time, stay tuned.